Maybe, hey, welcome back. Maybe you can ask yourself, which software can I use to create the website to edit the codes? But you can either use Sublime Text or VS Code. As for me, I always use VS Code. As you can see, this is the VS Code that I use. So you can either go to www.vscode.org and install the software that of your own choice, either the VS Code or Sublime Text. But I regard that all the software are good and well off to go with. So let's clear this project and create a new folder. Okay. Wow. Now our software has already as you can see, this is the view of the Visual Studio Code as you have downloaded from the web. So now we want to create our first website, but I told you that we can start with the HTML, then come with the CSS. Then I show you how to combine the HTML and CSS. The HTML, remember that the HTML is used to write or to keep the content that is displayed on the web. But the CSS, this is a simple cascading style sheet which is used to keep styles in everything that we edit in the HTML, or the body style, or everything that which is used. You can create margins, the padding. I'll show you everything that it needs so that we can create that website. I'll show you even how we can mix the HTML and CSS. Let us create our file. Now we want to create our website. Just come here to file, new file, new file. As you can see, the untitled. As fine. Just come here to save as. Go to an empty folder where you want to create your website. As for me, this is a friend's website. I named the folder friends. So you want to create the first file, the first page. Remember that when creating a website, the first page should always be in an index.html. Do not write anything. The first page in HTML is always the index.html page. So index.html. Now we've already created an HTML file. It is this, as you can see at the down part. It has already shown that you use the language mode, the selected language mode is HTML. So let us start coding. You can just those people those who use Sublime Text, you can either type in HTML then tab. But remember that those people who use VS Code, just write doc type, then press enter. As you can see, press enter. As you can see, oh, we started creating our first website. Just save them. Now let us go to our friend folder. As you can see, this is the file that we've already created. So we want to log in we want to see what is it. Oh, our web page is a blank page, so we want to keep the changes. We want to write an hello world. We want to write anything. So we want to write everything that we want of our own. But how can we do it? Simple. Remember that the title of this website is document. Now, when I want the title of my web page to be Dennis, how can I do it? How can I make it? How can I do it? How can I change it? Don't worry. Just come to the page where it is written title. Just write the Dennis or first page. First page. As you can see, we have already changed the title of the of our first web page, which it was initially called the document title. We have changed it to first page title. So let's meet in our next tutorial so that I can teach you now how to use the tags and the elements.